here I am at a beautiful spot in Alpena, Michigan on Lake Huron. Look at this beautiful sunset. Look at this dude. He knows I got French fries in here. He will end up getting some, so yeah. I'm one of those people. I really like seagulls. He's kind of different looking. Or she, I have no clue. Alrighty. He left. I was going to show you guys me throwing him a French fry. Okay. Let's throw one out and see who gets here first. French fries. And here we go. Nope. Okay, they're thinking maybe I did see something. Here's another one. Oh, here. Look at this guy's back. Hello, little cutie. Here's one more. Hurry. Get it, get it, get it. Holy. All right. I like to try to get them to injured ones or different looking ones. Okay. Let's see. This little guy that's walking there. I want to give him one. We'll see. Ooh. Alrighty, got it. Woo! That was good. How about you right here in front? Okay. They get vicious. Oh, stop now. Like to even try to get, you know, the smaller. Coming back there. Nope, I couldn't throw it that far. Alright, that's going to be it for now because this is turning into a 5-minute video. Like, what are them birds? Why are they waiting like way out there on the beach? They know what's going on up here. Why are they hanging out down there?
They don't like fries.
They don't like fries. My husband said that's funny. Maybe they're gluten-free or something. I don't know if fries got gluten in them, but anyways, they're vegan. I don't know if French fries are vegan or not. I don't know nothing about that kind of stuff. But, yeah. And anyways, I think it might be illegal to feed the birds. Is there a sign over there that says that? The top, what is this top one?
City ordinance, no feeding of the birds.
Really? Yeah, let's, sorry it's gonna be through the windshield because I feel too lazy to get out. No smoking. They got poopy bags. Yeah, mitt mutts they call them, or mutt mitts, excuse me. And could you read that whole green sign? I can't get a good.
It says the city of Alpena hopes you enjoy the swimming and beach activities, but swimming in this area will be at your own risk. No lifeguards are on duty. And notice it's the smallest written print. So much for the city of Alpena is concerned.
But where's the sign that says no feeding the birds?
That's not here.
Oh, it's somewhere else. There is a sign that says that, though. We are not. Is it? I think that might be like a little ordinance, or I don't know. But
no, they say you're not supposed to feed them because they don't eat that normally, and their stomachs can't digest it.
Give me a freaking break. They're hungry. They're probably not going to live long anyways. They eat out of dumpsters. You know, they eat.
Yeah, they'll take bags.
I'd rather see them eating some freaking French fries than a chicken bone. Come on. So, look at them all looking at me. Okay. That's it, everybody. And this is turning into, like, it's a 7-minute video now. Jeez, oh, man. Anyways, they cleaned up all the French fries. I didn't leave a mess. And see that feather down there? It's an all-white seagull feather. I've never seen an all-white one that I can remember. So, anyways, I like feathers, so I'm going to get out and get it. And I guess that's going to be that's all, folks. Okay, bye-bye.